Hello everyone, in today's videos we are going to evaluate x power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. Before going to evaluate this, let us introduce x power n so that our minds know that how this equation work. When n is even, here n is equal to 4, means that when n is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Such type of exponential representation just like this. Here is two axes, means that here x-axis and here y-axis. Now we representation x power n is just like this. X power n. When x is equal to 0, it points here where x-axis and y-axis meet together. Now when n is equal to 2, then its representation is this, x power 2. Now when we increase n, means that when n is increased, means that n is equal to 4, then it's moved toward y-axis, means that x power 4 representation just like this. And when n is equal to 6, then it moves toward y-axis, x power 6. Now in simple word we can say that when we increase the value of n, when n is even, it moves toward, it become more closer toward y-axis. The distance between such type of points, and this distance is less than as compared to this distance, and this distance is become less as compared to this distance. Its curve become more closer toward y-axis. Now we can say that when x power n, when we add something, means that plus 1, now this curve shift toward y-axis, means that plus y-axis, means when there is plus 1. Now this representation become x power n plus 1. When we subtract something, it's shift toward negative y-axis, means that it become x power n minus 1. This representation of x power n minus 1 when n is even. Okay, sorry, here x power n minus 1. Now our equation is x power 4 minus 16. Now we can say that we just imagine how our curve look like this. Here is x-axis and here is y-axis. And this is minus 16, means that it moves toward negative y-axis. The representation of such type of curve, just imagine it may look like this. Here is 16, and now you can say that its chords x-axis at 2 points. Here is first point and here is second point. We can say that its curves at least 2 roots. At least 2 roots, means that it may have 3 roots or 4 roots. Now here is first roots and here is second roots, and the other roots may occur. These 2 roots are real roots, means that it cut is x-axis and it is real. Now just now let us solve this equation. Now see that how many its have roots. Here is x power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we have x power 4 is equal to 16. For simplification, we can write it as x square whole square is equal to 16. Now we replace this x square by another variable so that our simplification become more smoother. Let us say that x square is equal to u. Now the above equation will become u square is equal to 16. When we shift this square on our right hand side, it become u is equal to plus minus root 16, and we can write it as plus minus root 4 square, and we can cancel out this root by square, and here remaining is plus minus 4. Now we have u is equal to x square. Now replace this u by x square, we get x square is equal to plus minus 4. or we can write it as x square is equal to 4 or x square is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now on the next step we have x square is equal to 4, which can be written as x is equal to plus minus root 4, and the value of root 4 is equal to 2, means that its value is plus minus 2, means that plus 2 or minus 2. These are two roots, and other roots are x square is equal to minus 4. We can write it as x square is equal to plus minus a root minus 4. We know that root of minus 1 value is iota. It can be written as plus minus iota root 4. No, it can be written as plus minus iota 2, or we can write it as iota 2 or minus iota 2. Now we have, there are four roots. Here is plus 2, minus 2, iota 2 and minus iota 2. These are two imaginary roots. We cannot represent here on real axis because they are imaginary, and they are complex number, complex root. They cannot be representation on x-axis and y-axis. So we can see that here plus 2 and minus 2 are here plus 2 and minus 2. Now we can say that there are two real roots and two imaginary roots, and sum of these roots of this equation are 4. Here is plus 2, minus 2, plus iota, minus iota. If you are new here, you can subscribe our channel for such type of interesting math video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.